Phase 1 environmental site assessment for multifamily properties includes assessing all common areas and 10% of the apartment units. Common areas can include a business center, fitness center, park, and pool. Things to look for in an apartment building is the pool pump room and its chemicals, maintenance shop and any flammable chemicals, car wash and its oil-water separator, and how often it is pumped, and the third party that pumps the oil-water separator. Pad-mounted and or pole-mounted transformers, and if the transformers are labeled. Transformers may contain polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, a group of man-made organic chemicals consisting of carbon, hydrogen and chlorine atoms. Due to their non-flammability, chemical stability, high boiling point and electrical insulating properties, PCBs were used in hundreds of industrial and commercial applications including electrical, heat transfer and hydraulic equipment such as a trash compactor. In essence, these are some of the reconnaissance findings at a multifamily property. Click on the like button and hit the subscribe button.